Thank you for watching another episode. For all of us that live in colder climates, this is something that happens incredibly often, and that's the hood struts. Typically in the summer when it's warm outside, they will hold up if they're starting to fail. They can even start to hold up, but once the cold weather comes, this is typically what you see. So we'll be replacing them today. Okay, so the first step is I have a pair of vice grips. Because I'm doing this repair on my own, I need these vice grips to hold the hood in place. In other words, I don't want the hood to crash down on top of my head. Okay, so as I try to press down or close the hood, as you can see, nothing is happening, so we're in good shape. So coming over to the other side, and we will replace both of them, but let me just give you a close-up here. So on the end of the strut here is a U-shaped clamp. And I'm just using a flathead screwdriver and just rotating out. As you can see, the clamp comes out. Now you may want to put a piece of cloth underneath this, because if you pull too hard, it can hit the fender and scratch the paint. So just be gentle when you do this. And there you go. So what I did there is I pushed up the hood slightly and I'm just rotating this. That's it. And same on the bottom, there's a clamp. Let me just reposition the camera here. So again, this is completely disengaged and removed from the passenger side, but that vice grip is holding up the hood and making it safe for us to do the repair. So again, on the bottom, we have another clamp. Let me just get the camera on a tripod and we'll remove this end as well. Now before I install the new strut, I just want to make sure it's the same length. Looks like this is just a little compressed. We should be okay. And also, right here there's a clamp. So just slightly bring it up. That's really enough. And then this will just simply snap right back into its housing. So this is the bottom mount. Just go ahead, and there you go. Now I also want to make sure that the clamp is completely flush with the housing. Okay, that way, as you can see, it doesn't come back off. So the last thing I want to do is just make sure that the struts are working, and as you can see, we're in good shape. So thank you for watching. If you do have an Acura TL, we have a number of videos coming up for this vehicle very, very soon. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.